Are you tired of waking up with painful leg cramps or struggling with muscle stiffness that limits your mobility? Leg cramps can be a frustrating issue for seniors, disrupting sleep and daily activities. The good news is that the right foods can relax muscles, improve circulation, and prevent cramps. In this guide, we reveal the top 3 superfoods to help seniors stay cramp-free, strengthen muscles, and enhance mobility. These nutrient-packed foods are easy to add to your diet and can significantly improve your quality of life. Let's explore these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we dive in, I'd love to hear where you're joining from today. Share in a comment and feel free to ask any questions about leg cramps or nutrition. Also, consider subscribing and turning on notifications for more health-boosting tips tailored for seniors. Eggs, a nutrient powerhouse for muscle health. Eggs are a versatile, affordable food packed with nutrients that combat leg cramps in seniors. Let's explore how eggs support muscle health and reduce cramps. Protein for muscle repair. Muscle fatigue is a leading cause of leg cramps, especially in seniors experiencing age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, which increases cramp risk and weakness. Protein is vital for muscle repair and maintenance. Eggs are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. A single large egg provides 6 grams of high-quality protein, which helps rebuild muscle fibers, reduces fatigue, and enhances muscle contraction efficiency, lowering cramp frequency. Including eggs in your diet supports muscle strength and endurance, improving mobility and reducing painful cramps. Vitamin D for muscle function. Vitamin D is critical for calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Deficiency can lead to muscle weakness, cramps, and chronic pain. Studies show seniors with low vitamin D experience more frequent leg cramps. Egg yolks naturally contain about 40 IU of vitamin D, contributing to bone and muscle health. Since many seniors spend less time outdoors, reducing natural vitamin D production, dietary sources like eggs are essential. To boost vitamin D, pair eggs with fortified foods like milk or yogurt or fatty fish like salmon. Seniors with low levels may need supplements, but consult a doctor first. Adequate vitamin D reduces cramp risk and supports mobility. Vitamin B12 for nerve health. Nerve health is crucial for preventing cramps, as impaired nerve signals can cause muscle spasms and tingling. Eggs provide vitamin B12 and choline, which support nerve insulation, myelin sheath, improve muscle nerve communication, and ensure smooth contraction and relaxation. B12 deficiency, common in seniors due to reduced stomach acid or medications like metformin, can lead to cramps, nerve damage, and anemia, reducing oxygen to muscles. Eggs are an easily digestible B12 source, ideal for seniors with weaker digestion or vegetarians avoiding meat. Regular egg consumption helps maintain nerve integrity, reducing cramp-inducing misfired signals. Incorporating eggs safely. How many eggs should seniors eat? Research confirms that 6 to 7 eggs per week are safe for most healthy seniors and don't significantly impact cholesterol. Those with heart conditions or high cholesterol should consult a doctor, but egg whites are a low cholesterol option. Seniors with kidney disease may need to limit protein, and diabetics should pair eggs with fiber-rich foods like vegetables or whole grains for blood sugar control. To maximize benefits, eat eggs regularly, pair with nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens or avocado, and stay hydrated. A breakfast of 2 boiled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast provides protein, B12, and fiber for muscle health. Eggs are a simple, effective way to reduce leg cramps naturally. Add them to your meals for stronger, healthier muscles. Bananas, a potassium-packed solution. Bananas are a well-known source of potassium, but they also offer magnesium and vitamin B6, making them a top choice for preventing leg cramps. Let's explore their benefits for seniors. Potassium for muscle and nerve function. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. Low potassium, hypokalemia, makes muscles prone to spasms and cramps. A medium banana provides about 420 milligrams of potassium, 12% of daily needs, helping regulate muscle contractions, support nerve communication, and balance fluids to prevent dehydration-related cramps. Seniors are at risk for potassium deficiency due to reduced appetite, diuretic medications, or sweating. Eating 1 to 2 bananas daily can replenish potassium and reduce cramp frequency. Magnesium for muscle relaxation. Bananas also provide magnesium, 32 milligrams per banana, which supports muscle relaxation, reduces excitability, and aids energy production for muscle contractions. Many seniors lack magnesium, increasing cramp risk. Pairing bananas with magnesium-rich foods like nuts or leafy greens enhances their benefits. For example, a smoothie with bananas, spinach, and almonds combines potassium and magnesium for optimal muscle health. Vitamin B6 for nerve and muscle recovery. Vitamin B6 supports nervous system health, regulating neurotransmitters for muscle control, reducing inflammation, and improving oxygen delivery via red blood cells. A banana provides 0.4 milligrams of B6, nearly 30% of daily needs. Low B6 levels can cause nerve dysfunction, inflammation, and muscle fatigue, increasing cramps. A 2018 study linked low B6 intake to frequent leg cramps in seniors. Bananas help prevent nerve-related muscle issues with their natural B6 content. Nocturnal leg cramps, which disrupt sleep, are often linked to electrolyte imbalances or dehydration. Bananas' potassium, magnesium, and carbohydrates support hydration and muscle relaxation. Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed can reduce cramp intensity, balance electrolytes, and improve sleep quality. Pair with 6 to 8 glasses of water daily or coconut water for added electrolytes to prevent dehydration-related cramps.
Praktikale tips for bananas.
1 banana daily supports muscle health, while 2 may benefit those with frequent cramps. Diabetics should eat bananas with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to manage blood sugar. Add bananas to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutrient-packed meal. For seniors with frequent cramps, eating a banana daily, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet can significantly improve muscle function. Nuts and seeds, a nutrient-dense option. Nuts and seeds are a powerful addition to a senior's diet, packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats to prevent cramps and support muscle health. Let's explore their benefits. Magnesium and potassium content. Many seniors lack magnesium, increasing cramp risk. Nuts and seeds are top sources. Pumpkin seeds, 168 milligrams per ounce, 40% of daily needs. Almonds, 77 milligrams, 20%, and cashews, 74 milligrams, 19%. They also provide potassium. Pistachios, 290 milligrams per ounce, almonds, 200 milligrams, and cashews, 160 milligrams. A small handful daily restores these electrolytes, keeping muscles relaxed and healthy. Electrolytes are lost through sweat, so nuts and seeds are ideal for seniors active in warm climates or after exercise. Healthy fats for circulation and inflammation. Healthy fats in nuts and seeds improve blood flow, ensuring muscles get oxygen and nutrients. Omega-3s in walnuts and flax seeds reduce muscle inflammation, while monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews enhance circulation, reducing nocturnal cramps. Antioxidants in nuts lower oxidative stress, supporting muscle recovery and preventing cramps, especially for seniors with chronic pain or arthritis. Best nuts and seeds for muscle health. Some nuts and seeds stand out. Pumpkin seeds, highest in magnesium, 168 milligrams per ounce. Almonds, rich in magnesium and potassium. Pistachios, high in potassium, 290 milligrams per ounce. Cashews provide magnesium and healthy fats. The walnuts, omega-3s reduce inflammation. A variety of nuts and seeds ensures diverse nutrients. A trail mix with almonds, pumpkin seeds, and walnuts is a great option. Practical tips for nuts and seeds. Seniors should eat a small handful, 1 ounce, about 20 almonds, or 2 tablespoons of seeds daily. Sprinkle seeds on salads or yogurt, or eat nuts before bed to reduce nighttime cramps. Choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted nuts to avoid dehydration from excess sodium. Those with nut allergies should opt for leafy greens or legumes, while seniors with sensitive digestion can start with smaller portions to avoid bloating. After exercise, nuts help restore electrolytes and aid recovery. Eggs, bananas, and nuts and seeds are powerful tools for seniors to reduce leg cramps naturally. Eggs provide protein, vitamin D, and B12 for muscle and nerve health. Bananas offer potassium, magnesium, and B6 to prevent spasms and support recovery. Nuts and seeds deliver magnesium, potassium, and healthy fats for relaxation and circulation. Eat 6 to 7 eggs weekly, 1 to 2 bananas daily, and a handful of nuts or seeds. Pair with 6 to 8 glasses of water and a balanced diet. Consult a doctor for conditions like kidney disease or diabetes. Try an egg and spinach scramble, a banana almond smoothie, or a salad with pumpkin seeds for nutrient-packed meals. These small changes can lead to big improvements in muscle health and mobility. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up to support more content. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments and suggest topics for future guides. Subscribe and turn on notifications for the latest health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you next time.